man with pretty man and ran across the content, man. Boy, man, see what G4 talking about, man. Boy got whips in him. Career gateway, man. The boy Mark's over there. Hey, you want to talk about this, huh? Man, the boy named Chris, man. Show y'all his YouTube channel, man. He say he trying to get his shit together. YouTube, Chris Life, man, on YouTube, man. You got an Instagram, anything? You got an Instagram? Chris Life, man. Y'all subscribe to the guy, man. Got that old G8 out here, man. Got that old G8.
Shit.
So you just sold these, John, right?
Oh, I just got them.
Oh, you just got these, John.
And the stock belonged to the cats. I had sold them.
Ah, okay.
Sold them. So what I'm going with, like BTR. I already put the new throttle bot on there.
I mean, you ain't gotta tell them too much now. You just, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you're gonna be racing them nothing, so you ain't got to tell them too much.
It just look a little but like I said, stage 3, long 2 headers. Green, I ain't gonna tell you all that though.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Keep some of it for yourself. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep some of it for your channel. You know what I'm saying?
I'm doing like a little headliner, interior work.
What you gonna do? Star roof or you just?
Yeah,
Star roof.
It's gonna be like a little suede.
Yeah.
Shit, that motherfucker. Jump right there. A little sag, really.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you got them famous push pins in that thing, man. Yes, sir. Got them famous push pins. I been there, buddy. Don't worry about it. Yeah, man. You got the BTR cam, man.
BTR 18, so that motherfucker be on look like.
Got
only has 63,000 miles on it.
The boy said send nudes, man. Stop playing with it. I see what's going on. Send nudes, man, in the comment section, man. Not you niggas though. This ain't for the dudes, man. Don't do that, bro. Man, who John this is? Who I just talked to? Oh, okay. That's what he's saying. He ain't no more than it.
Yeah, he ain't got no more than it.
He takes the speed though.
Oh yeah, 10 speed. The Z28 wheel, catch can. He already got the circuit D stalling.
I ain't gonna even mess with it too much cause he ain't over here, so I ain't gonna mess with it too much. But yeah.
All around front windshield 35. Hood scoop. I'm trying out the whole hood. The hood might end up being for sale though. And the whole car gonna be wrapped. Snow camo.
Snow camo. Okay.
Camo wrap.
So man, they can find you on YouTube at Chris Life, right? You ain't got no Facebook, no Instagram, no nothing.
DeMarcus Chris.
DeMarcus Chris on Facebook, man.
Or it can be DeMarcus LaVelle Chris.
DeMarcus LaVelle Chris. We'll get all that together, man. I had that down in the video somewhere, man, so y'all can find him. Y'all contact him, man, if y'all want this hood, man. You know what I'm saying? Trey. Hey, bro. See, this right here. You know what I'm saying? See, Chris fuck with me. Chris said, man, come vlog my shit, bro. You supposed to be came to the house, bro, in the GA. You ain't never come. See, look at you now. Now you ain't got it. You ain't got the car no more.
I just got the phone with you, man.
See what I'm saying? Cold game. But yeah, man. We got another whip out here, man. Old Camaro, man. I might vlog that John too. I think he just went to lunch. He just went to lunch though, didn't he? Yeah. But yeah, man. Let me go over here.
They put it back together. I'll probably start up like tomorrow.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, the rotors and brakes. Chain all that up. I'm training the wheels too. Probably get the damn Camaro wheels or the C28 wheels. But I know I'm get the Keller CTSV from the front.
Yeah.
And the brake color.
Oh yeah. Yeah, cause all this shit unchangeable, right?
Yeah, all
okay.
Stuff, go straight up.
Yeah.
Chevy SS, get the brake, green, diff, all that, go straight up.
Let me see what they calling me. Man, but yeah, man, y'all hit him up, man. Chris Life on YouTube. DeMarcus LaVelle Chris on Facebook, man. I'm gonna put it down here, man, once I get all the correct spellings and all that, man. Yeah, man, y'all check him out, man. Boy finna build that thing. Say he finna build it back up, man. He getting right on y'all ass. Yes, sir. Man, what year is it? 2010. Yeah. Boy got the green brake calibers, man. Stop playing with it. See what we got here, man. See what we got here. Okay. Yeah, see, you coming out through there. You know what? I ain't never been in there in one of these cars. Like, never. Oh yeah, you everywhere in this junk.
You put the key in so the tar light come on.
Go ahead. I ain't responding for none of that. Oh yeah. Got the star roof in this junk. What is that? That's a design.
Yeah, it's Jake.
Oh, okay. And you say you did that? You say you did it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you cold.
Everything is I did myself.
So what all you done done to it?
Headers is it. Header and straight pipe.
Headers and straight pipe. Oh, okay. Yeah. See, I'm gonna have to. Nah, I ain't never had my car up here. I'm gonna have to bring my car up here, man. Let y'all see that thing, you know what I mean? So you race anything or you race? You ain't got no YouTube, no Instagram, no.
I got Instagram.
That's your Instagram, man. Tell them for your Instagram, man. Don't be shy now. Don't come and start being shy and shit.
Justin 6.2.
Justin 6.2 on Instagram.
Yeah.
You got Facebook? No Facebook, no YouTube. You get your YouTube, man. Tell me. Hey, what that called these? A wicker bill.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey man, this crazy, man. Look at that. I don't usually show folks tags, man. Man, look at this shit, man.
Ain't nothing wrong.
But they get the idea though, man.
Yeah.
That boy said Texas is the booty eater state, man. Come on, man. Y'all see what he's got going on? Live fast and eat ass. All right, boy, you tough, dog. That boy tough. So these Brembos?
Oh yeah.
Brembos all the way around? Oh yeah, man, it's nice. It's not. You don't want to show up on the hood or nothing, do you? Okay, don't do it. Don't do it. But yeah, man. Y'all give him a follow on Instagram, man. Justin, is it Justin 6.2, right?
Yeah.
Justin 6.2. Know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all need to hit him up, man. If y'all need these star roofs, man, you doing for other people or you just doing for yourself? Hey, man, he doing for other people too, man. Y'all need to hit him up, man. So you did all this.
Painted the interior, sticker.
All on the steering wheel and everything, man. Stop playing with Justin, man.
I wrapped the roof and trunk black.
So that's a wrap?
No, the roof.
Oh, the roof. Okay, the roof. Oh, okay. Wrap the roof in the trunk.
Yeah, I messed up that little edge, but that's about it.
Man, I ain't seen it, so y'all hit him up, man. For that, is that this right here? What is this? Is that the hydro dip stuff?
No, this I painted by rattle can.
For real?
Yeah, don't even look like rattle can on it.
No.
Yeah.
That's why I asked you what's the hydro dip, because I seen all the, all the splatter and everything.
Did it by hand.
Oh man, that's cold.
Throw it right there.
That's cold, dude.
Yeah.
That's cold.
It used to be fabric. I painted it.
Took the fabric off and just sanded it and painted it.
Sanded and painted.
See, I got the concept. I got the idea how to do it. I just not gonna do it. I'm not doing it.
Same thing with my calipers. Primer, painted, and clear coated.
Got them Brembos on there, man. That's crazy. Man, let them hear it one time.
Gotcha.
So you said you ain't done nothing but headers and straight pipe?
Yeah.
No cam, no nothing. So it's pretty everything in stock still.
Pretty much.
Damn. Oh yeah, that sound good.
You get the gas?
It's on you. Damn. Yeah, dog. Yeah. See, every time I do this, I be like, I don't want no sports car. But then I come up here and see shit like this, and be like, man, I need to go give me a Camaro.
Yeah.
Cause I ain't gonna buy no Mustang. But I they're like, man, I need to give me a Camaro. I need to get something else. But man, I need to Cause if I do this, like, it's gonna be a problem. if I do any of this, because I know what I do in my car. And I do probably the same thing you do in your car on my car, and I'm on 6s. In a photo, sedan. So I know what I do in a sports car. That's why I'm trying not to get one. But, yeah. Man, I appreciate you, man, for letting me vlog a thing, man. Like I said, man, y'all hit him up, man. Justin 6.2, man, on Instagram. Show him some love, man. Tell him y'all came from the nation and all that, man. I still hit him up about that star roof and that interior work, man. He got you. Now let me get to the house, man, and fix this damn Jeep before I get cussed out. Alright, y'all. So we back, man. Back at the house. I just laid the wash down on the Jeep, man. This tire fixed. It was the valve stem. I just put, what I put? I just got this tire patched Saturday. And just got that tire fixed because there was a bullet in it. I don't know. But, so, man, we on the way to take the Jeep, man. The ass down here, man, and yeah. About the inside of it out. Finish out this vlog, man. I got a battery somewhere. I need it. I'm gonna find my battery. Yeah, so got this thing cleaned up. Oh man. Downtown, man, in the alley. Who this guy is. But I probably can't even see it. Yeah, you can't even see it. But it's cleaned up. I'll go on the other side. It's cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and polish them wheels, cause yeah, it's still a little oxidation on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and polish them wheels once I get them off, because I got some other stuff that I gotta show y'all, man. Got some other stuff that I gotta show y'all for the Jeep. Mentioned it. I ain't showed it to you yet. I ain't even opened up a little bit yet, to be honest. But you know, got a little shine on them tires, you know. Probably take all the wheels off, sit it on the jack stands, and yeah, and do it like that. Polish the wheels up, get it looking great, man, for car show season. Yeah, I know we're getting ready for car show season, man. So what they gonna paint? So yeah, we'll go ahead and pick the baby up, and then we finna move on. She said she want me to wait on her, so I'm gonna wait on her before I leave. And yeah, so let me put this camera up.